Welcome to our channel. Today we how to register your store with TradeGecko, complete guide step by step clearly. To register your store with TradeGecko, start by visiting the TradeGecko website. Once you're on the home page, look for the sign up button, usually located at the top right corner. Click on the sign up button to begin the registration process. You will be directed to a form that requires you to enter your email address. Provide a valid email address that you have access to for verification. Next, create a strong password for your account. Ensure that your password meets the security guidelines provided on the page. After entering your email and password, check for any option to choose your business type. Select the type of business that best represents your operations. Once you have completed the initial form, click on the Get Started or Sign Up button. TradeGecko will send a verification email to the address you provided. Check your email inbox for the verification link from TradeGecko. If you don't see the email, check your spam or junk folder. Click on the verification link in the email to confirm your account. You will be redirected back to the TradeGecko website where you can complete your profile. Fill in the necessary business information, including your store name and address. Provide any additional details required, such as your business phone number. Choose your preferred currency and set your time zone for accurate reporting. Once all information is entered, review the details for accuracy. After reviewing, click on the Complete Setup or Finish Registration button. You will be taken to your TradeGecko dashboard, which may include a welcome tour prompt. Follow the prompts to familiarize yourself with the dashboard features. Start adding products and customizing your store settings from the dashboard. Congratulations, your store is now registered with TradeGecko. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.